What's up, everyone? Well, we are at Ken Lake Marina. We came back. We had to get some stuff for an oil change, and then I helped a couple of guys out here with boats. Um, just going over a few cameras and water heaters and giving them some ideas. Um, and then there's this old boat sitting here. Been here for a while. Some guy had it. It kind of broke down, so he brought it back, and I don't think he ever came back for it. There's all kinds of sailboats here and stuff, so we're gonna head out tomorrow morning. We got definitely tornado warnings here again, so that's the case here tonight. They should be moving in a little bit. Debbie's working on a video now for the water bug. We got like 7 subscribers just sitting here. Seeing the water bug from the restaurant. And talk to us. We had some country music singer guy come down. He's going to subscribe and get a hold of us a little bit. He might want to do a television interview. I'm not sure what his name was. I meet so many people out here, I can't remember their damn names. So, but I'm sure if he comes back around, he needed some advice on solar panels on his farm. So, do that, give him a little insight. But yeah, well, this is the spot we've been for a couple of days, and I say I can't wait to get back out in the coves and hanging out and start doing some fishing. But yeah, bad weather. The weather's been kind of a beast here for us. Another old boat. Somebody, I don't know what they do with these things. I have no idea. There's a bunch of them around here, and I never see anybody on them. So who knows? But alright, guys, Debbie will have a video out, and we will keep you posted on the storm. And then that's where we're at with that. My buddy, he's got a boat here that's for sale, so I'll have to put the information up. But other than that, alright, guys, rock and roll.